Hey guys, we received this bar mat or bar accessories for test and try. It's a multifunctional folding cocktail mat with a cutting board and 18 by 12 inches black one and drying mat for the bar mat for the countertops. So this comes in this nice pack, and then this is the silicone mat, easy to clean and wash. So they have the two placemat as well along with it that you can use and fit on top of it. So this is 11.8 by 8.8 inches and 2 pp material frosted pads. So it's not easy to scratch, and then you can easily put the fruits and the things on top of it. So with the water there is no issue, the water will hold in it and you can just dry it or clean, and you can fold and take it anywhere with you. So very nice bar mat for the countertops to protect it, and the all the water and everything will fall on top of this silicone mat, easy to clean and wash, and then you can put the placemats and yeah, use it. So it's pretty nice, and you can fold and take it with you. So very nice design and very nice use overall to protect the table and the countertops with the water or the water damage thing. You can also cut the fruits and the things on this placemat, and yeah, you can use it anywhere you want. So you can just fit it from the corner, and then you can see how this looks. So very nice mat overall.